What's your name? What's your name, pretty kitty? Are you a girl or a boy? I'm not sure we can tell today, huh? Are you good, kitty? Reminds me of someone. Kitty rubbed up on my leg. It's being awful friendly because I said meow. I said hi and kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Did you hear that mouse? What a pretty mouse. Pretty kitty. Are you gonna let me pet you? Look at that thing. Isn't it cute? I think it's this person's somewhere around here. He was in their yard, but he looks well fed. Or she. She? I'm gonna make this short. See ya. Okay. Will the kitty let me pet him?